Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and digital assets. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: how to transfer Ethereum from Revolut in 2025. With the crypto landscape evolving rapidly, knowing how to move your ETH securely is more important than ever. Whether you're looking to trade on another platform or just diversify your holdings, this step-by-step guide will get you there in no time. First things first, make sure you have the Revolut app updated to the latest 2025 version. This ensures you have access to all the new security features and user-friendly updates. Open the app and log in with your credentials. If you haven't enabled two-factor authentication yet, do it now. It's a game changer for protecting your assets. Once you're in, head over to the Crypto tab. It's usually front and center for easy access. Here, you'll see your Ethereum balance. Tap on it to select ETH as the asset you want to transfer. Now, look for the Send or Transfer option. It's designed to be straightforward, even for beginners. Next, you'll need to enter the recipient's wallet address. Double-check this carefully. In 2025, with advanced smart contracts, one wrong character could send your ETH into the void. Revolut might even offer a QR code scanner to make this easier and less error-prone. After that, input the amount of ETH you want to send. Keep an eye on any transaction fees. Revolut's system will show you estimated costs based on current network congestion. Before you hit confirm, review everything: the address, the amount, and the fees. Once you're good, go ahead and authorize the transfer. You'll likely need to verify it with your PIN or biometrics for added security. Sit back and wait for the confirmation. Depending on the Ethereum network, this could take a few minutes to an hour. And just like that, you've successfully transferred your Ethereum. Remember, always stay informed about market changes and keep your accounts secure. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.